Hello everyone. So today we are here at Volgograd City, and today here we are joined by our dear friends. So we are going for shopping to show you the prices right now for clothing, accessories, and groceries in Russia. So today we are joined by first year student, third year student, and a second year student also. So I'll just ask them what things are necessary in the year 2025 so that they can compare, they can know like what things are needed, what they need to bring here in Russia. Unnecessary stuff from India they don't need to carry. For example, stationaries. You can see the prices here. You'll find some whatever like the prices are really same, and it's not cheap, I will say, but it's merely like similar. So you don't need to burden your bags and your baggages with all the unnecessary stuff. So just bring your favorite stuff that you want for the entire year. So let's go inside and let's check out what's the prices for everything. So guys, right behind me is M Video, which is known for its electronic items. So we can go there and check right now. If you're planning to buy some laptop or tablets or even mobile phones, you can check it out here. But to give the honest review, in Russia right now, after the sanction, the prices are high. So you will not find the similar prices as you are buying something in India. So let's go and check something. So very important thing, guys. After sanction, there are many companies which have stopped selling their items in Russian Federation. So you will see here that we have MI here, and we have Huawei, HP, and other companies as well. So you can see the telephone prices. Samsung we have here right now. This is Honor. So you can see the prices. So just check for the. So you see we have here Honor right now. So Honor, Huawei, Mark Creator. Also we have HP here. So just let me show you a decent one. Asus also we have here. So just let's check out Asus VivoBook. So Asus VivoBook is after the discounted price 64,999, 65,000. So you see the prices are no little high, but still you can buy all of these things in Russia. And also you have the MSI laptop. So for game lovers, so you have here MSI. So you see Core i5, you get in the price of 93,000. So here we have everything. So if you need any accessories, telephone, mobile, laptop, notebooks, you can buy all of the things here. So we usually buy it from here. Even the electronic item for daily day-to-day life, for example, mixer, blender, all of these items are available here. But my recommendation, please try to bring your own mixer blender from India, because you know you are going to grind something really hard like spices. So guys, let me show you here. This is the filter for Russia. If you will search it online, it will be more cheaper, maybe in 600 rubles only. So you can buy this. You have like a water purifier. You can put the water from here, and we just drink tap water. We don't use purifier here in Russia, though this is the purifier. It's very sustainable actually. No electricity, nothing. Just need to buy this. It costs you around something like 999. And so right now we are in front of the Austin, a clothing brand in Russian Federation. So let's go inside and check for the prices. So seeing this price, anybody can buy like 999 for a t-shirt, a polo shirt. Shorts are available here for 800 rubles. So the quality is really good, guys. You can buy here. So if you have t-shirts, shirts, formal, semi-formal, all the clothes are available. So you can check for the trousers. Even the trousers are on the discounted price of 999. So you can check the price 999, and such kind of trousers like semi-formal ones. You can see the price. It's really cheap, guys, 399. And that too, it's a good clothing brand. Though the quality is not compromised. So but still there are cheaters like this one, like the 1799. So we'll just give you a very fast tour so that you can see the prices. All the coming girls, you can see the prices. So let me tell you very fast. In this mall, on the third floor is the food court. Second floor and first floor is for clothing brands and stationery and grocery stuff is on the first floor. So So guys, you can see that this is for the women's section. So I don't find anything expensive here. So these bags are of like 700, 600. Even the clothing items are for like 700, 800, 600 something. So it's quite cheap. I like this brand personally, and I'll show you the men's section also. So let Abhinaya see, try to find it. So these shirts are available in the 1600, 700 range. So I just found a good collection here. So it's a linen shirt. So it's quite good. The quality is really good, guys, and the price is like 1400. So I think it's quite good for the price. So let's go and check the next shop also. So guys, this is a premium clothing brand here, Russia. And right now, as I told that there are many discount offers available in many shops, and this is remotely located. So you have offers on all the brands, on all the clothing items. So the third floor, as I told you, there is a food court. So you have all the pizza shop and KFC, Burger King, but with a different name. और 8:30 बज रही है इस वक्त, और देख सकते हैं अभी भी उजाला है बाहर में। गाइस, मील टाइम, शनिवार का दिन और पिज़्ज़ा की रात। लीजिए लीजिए गाइस।